Wednesday afternoon, and we've just finished detailing pre-delivery of this brand new 7-metre formula. As you can see, it's running two brand new 300 Yamahas on the back, V6s, 600 GGs on the back. It's got a lot of get up and go, this machine. The boat's more than capable of handling that. You can see by the colour matched all the way through the hull. It's one of the first ones to go out of this colour combination, and it's absolutely come up a treat. Inside he's got everything the owner of this vessel has ordered up large, and he certainly has done a great job. He's picked up not only a lot of accessories for this boat, it's got a lot of Ray Marine technology on it. It has the radar on the roof. It also has night vision camera on the front. Now, sitting on a beautiful Trans-style aluminium trailer, nothing but the best. So this has all been decked up, and look, I've just got my hands on these now. These are brand new Swingers Outringer base poles, and I can assure you these are something that are new on the market, and they will be on every single one of these machines. They are simply fantastic. It's done himself proud though, the 233 formula. It really has come up a treat, like I said before, and we're just tying it down now and ready for delivery going interstate. We're going inside. So earlier on I was talking to you about what kind of technology is ordered up in this beautiful formula. This has Axiom Ray Marine technology, the larger screen, the small one. Also incorporated up here is the pilot wheelhouse and all the associated bits and pieces we've got from Ray Marine. So if we just turn around, you can actually see that he's got the dive door. On a boat of this size, it's a must. Something that you've got a big fish on, and these are a large vessel, and you really need to get that access to the water. This is the larger version of the bait tank. Edencraft bait board, leaning post for those bigger fish. On the back here, let's lift up the hatch. Nice big hatch area in the back, double hinged, more than capable of holding a lot of fish. Batteries in the back, two hatches, electronics all magnificently plumbed up. So he's got his hose down, all his electronics, all on this side of the boat. Let's just swing this around a little bit, and we'll get another look at what's going on with the dive door shut, will we? Here's his washdown station, tucked away in this corner. A great idea, especially. As I said, this customer has ordered this boat with simply everything, and it's just the way to go. It's a great machine, packaged up beautifully by Edencraft.